So guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver? So first you can see this is come to this website www.gigabyte.com. This is, and then this is search button. Okay, click on search, then enter your model number, and then hit enter B660MK DDR4. Then click on the title of the motherboard. Click on support. Then guys, select your operating system which is using Windows 10, 11, 11 Windows 10, 11. Okay, so select any installations process same. You can see this video and you can install the driver. Okay, VGA driver, Intel VGA graphic card driver, and this is size. Just click to download. Let's start downloading. It will take some time to download. Then it is downloaded. Just open it. So you can see this is graphic card VGA driver. So exe.exe format. So double click on this. Now this is copy, and after that extracts to your system for the installation. Then click on yes for administrator rights to install driver. Now after extract installing, so it is close automatic, means this is installed. Closed.